Hi, in the previous module, we have gone through the basics of Kotlin like variables, data types, operators, strings, arrays, conditional if-else statements, loops, lists, user-defined functions, classes, objects, data classes, errors and exceptions, constructors, visibility modifiers, and interfaces. In this module, we will jump straight into Android app development. Let's begin. Now, we used the IntelliJ IDEA as our IDE in Module 2, since we were writing basic programs in Kotlin there. But now we are going to make our Android app. And so we will switch the IDE and work on Android Studio, as we had said in Module 1. So let's begin by installing and setting up the Android Studio in our systems. To download Android Studio, let's go to Google and type Download Android Studio. Click on the link that appears in the search results. The link has also been given in the helper text below. This page will open up. Scroll down on this page till you come to this System Requirements heading and check if the computer you are using is compatible with Android Studio or not. As you can see, the website lists the system requirements for various operating systems. See this block if you are a Windows user, this block if you are a Mac user, and this block if you are a Linux user. Now, if your system fulfills these requirements, then you are good to go. Let's go back to the top of the page and download Android Studio. But before that, if you see here, you can see the version of Android Studio that we are downloading, which is 3.5. Google instantly improves the Android Studio, so the versions keep changing constantly. This is the latest version at the moment, and it may change when you go to download it. So don't worry if you have a different and a newer version than us. We will recommend you to use the latest version only. Now let's click on this download button. Feel free to read these terms and conditions and then check the I have read and agree with the above terms and conditions checkbox and then click here. The download will start. The download size is around 1 GB, so it will take some time. Now, once it is downloaded, click here and the installer will open. Wait till the setup is loading and then click on Yes when it asks for permission. Now let's go to the installation part. Make sure you have a good internet connection throughout the installation and also that you are not connected to a VPN. Else, you will get an error and will have to do the installation again. So try to get it right the first time itself. Now, a setup window will appear like this. Click Next here to continue. On this next screen, tick all the checkboxes and then click Next. Then click Next again. On this installation screen, click on Install and let the installer complete the installation of Android Studio. When the installation is complete, click Next. Now select the checkbox for Start Android Studio and then click on Finish. Wait while it loads. In the dialog box that opens up, click on Do Not Import Settings and click OK. A pop-up to send usage statistics to Google will come up. Click on Don't Send here. Now after some processing, a welcome window will appear. Click Next on this window. Now here, select the install type as Standard. Click Next. Then choose the Light theme and click Next. Now an SDK Components window will come up. Click on Finish here. This will start downloading the SDK components required for Android development. The total download size is of 2 to 3 GB, so it will take some time. This download is very important, so please ensure that your system is connected to a stable internet connection. Any interruption at this stage may cause an error, and you will have to follow all the steps again, so make sure you get this right. Click Finish and Done. That was all for this video, and we have successfully downloaded and installed the Android Studio and the SDK. Next, we will create a new Android project in Android Studio.